Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to blur background in Google Meet. Okay, so first I will start a new meeting. And while you're in a call, to blur your background, simply click on this icon, those three dots, and now select background and effects. Okay, and now select the backgrounds, and now we have two types of the blur. We can slightly blur our background or select the second option to blur it fully. In my case, I cannot show you the blur because it requires a camera to use the blur effect, so your camera must be on. But in here you can enable that blur. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.